Today's super quick and easy lunch is one of those recipes that tastes better than just the sum of its parts. And it starts off with cottage cheese, which I know most people don't like, but I'm prepping it here so that you forget the lumps and it's just this lovely high protein creamy base. So you blitz it in a food processor with extra virgin olive oil and parmesan, and it's like an elevated high protein healthier ricotta. So what's not to like? And as well as that, I'm going to prep really simply lots of seasonal veg. So I've got radishes, I'm just thinly slicing them and salting them and leaving them to sit for a bit. Then frozen peas, I'm going to thaw out in the microwave really quickly, like just a minute, and then rinse them under cold water. Season them with evu and salt. And then rocket, I'm going to dress in salt, extra virgin olive oil, and some nice balsamic glaze. And that'll bring some nice sweetness to balance out the bitterness and pepperiness of the leaves. And all that's left to do is to toast our bread. Try and get some nice sourdough if you can, because it's kind of the base of the dish. And that's it. We're just going to layer it up. So we've got our lovely toasted sourdough, that whipped parmesan cottage cheese, which we're just going to smother on top of our toast, and then top it with a nice amount of our peas, which look glossy and they still have that texture, that firmness to them, lovely and sweet. Lots of our dressed rocket, which is also in season now, so it's at its best, lovely and peppery. And then those crunchy radish slices. Finish it off with a grating of parmesan and an extra drizzle of good evu, and you're ready to go. Super simple, but so delicious. Hope you like this recipe, and make sure to follow me for more seasonal healthy eats. And as always, bon appétit!